Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a task on Google Calendar. So press create and select task, and here you can change the date over here, or maybe you can also select on the date and press create task over there. For instance, your task is grocery shopping. You can add that, and you could set in the time here, for instance somewhere around 1:45 p.m. You can add in a description, for instance what you're buying. For instance, you're buying bread, eggs, onion, chips, I don't know, etc. And it's under my task. You can also set it as all day, but I'm just going to press save. And for instance, you're done with the task, you can right click on it and press mark completed, and that means you have completed your task. But if you haven't and you've accidentally pressed it, just right click again and mark uncompleted. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!